What's happening, guys? So we did it again, man. I got on them again real good back in the creek. Um, After my last trip, for a period of that trip, I was standing up on my kayak, just kind of looking around the creek and just seeing what was back there, man. And there were literally just like packs of like 4 pounders just cruising right down the center of the creek in the very back of the creek. So in my head, I'm thinking, man, I got to get out here at first light in the very back of the creek and throw a top water, and that's what I did, baby. So this is the one I'm using right here. And in my opinion, this Yozuri walking bait is probably the best walking top water you can get for your money. Really good quality. The hooks they give you right out the package are actually they're adequate. Most hard baits don't give you good hooks right out the package unless you're getting like a whopper plopper or something. I do still change the hooks on these. I put mustad hooks on these, the ones that are slightly curved in, and it just keeps the fish pegged really well. And these ones won't bend out on you. Yeah, so I'm doing that, and I did throw the frog around a little bit, and I did still catch some punching fish. Yeah, about midway down the video, I get some scum on my freaking camera lens because I caught like a 3.5 that threw some scum on it. Didn't get that one on camera, but yeah, so for a couple of the fish in the video, I'm gonna have a little bit of scum on the camera lens. Just try to ignore that the best you can. It is kind of distracting though. Yeah, so hope you all enjoy this one. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright. I could tell there was one behind it, so I just kind of slowed it down a little bit. Sure enough. Throwing a little Yozuri frog pattern. First one of the day, y'all. Oh, fucker, dude. Sheesh. That one fucking hammered it, y'all. There's a bunch of fish over there. I had another one follow it all the way to the boat, too. Alright. Got a bad fray in my line already. Monster. Oh my goodness gracious, y'all see that shit? It's a fucking big one. Oh my god. Look at the size of that one. I've had some monsters follow this thing, y'all. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that thing. Oh man. That's a 4-pounder. She choked it. Oh my god. This topwater bite back here first thing in the morning is nuts. That is a, look at the head on that thing. Beautiful. Monster. Oh my gosh. Fucking big, y'all. Oh my goodness gracious. Get. Do not. She's still on. She's still on. That's a big one. No. 4-pounder, y'all. Hell yeah, baby. Dude, this topwater bite is sick back here right now. It's a good chunky, like high 3, 4-pounder. Thought she was 5. I was reeling her in. That's a good one though. Oh wow, this thing is slurping water now. What the fuck happened? Giant. Oh my god. It's another fucking 4 plus. Oh my god. Y'all, I am wrecking these fish right now. This fish is skinny too. Oh my gosh. I am wrecking them. Let me get a weight on this girl real quick. She's just really skinny, really skinny. 3/8. Good one though. Dang it. How did she not get it? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, y'all. Monster. Is there enough freaking turtles in here? Yep. Got you. On the bottom. On the bottom of the lip, I foul hooked her. First one punching the salamander. Complete fucking idiots. Another one on the punch rig, y'all. I saw that line jump. Sure enough. You've got to be fucking kidding me. We catching them, boys. We catching them. Y'all, this salamander might be my new favorite punch bait. It's so freaking durable. It's just a killer. Gotta stay in the deeper shade. Come on. Nice one. Another good one, y'all, on the salamander. All right, y'all, that'll wrap it up for that one. So yeah, in the video, you hear me saying that these are all like 4-pound fish. In reality, those fish are about 3.5 pounds. At the right time of year, those would easily be 4-pound fish. Just these summer bass I'm catching are so skinny. Most of them are. They all have the head of a 4-pounder and just the body of like a 2-pounder. So yeah, I do have some more really good footage coming down the pipe here pretty soon. Also back in Barton, I was able to get one of those big frogfish to finally connect on it. So I got some in the middle of the day with like people all around me. Just the creek gets so crowded sometimes. Sometimes I just don't even feel like putting up with it, man. there'll be people setting up like what do those trapeze artists do where they have the line where they balance on it. They had that set up where they walk on it, you know. They had it set up all the way across the creek. There's like field trips of kids back there. There's a bunch of foreign people that don't know how to paddle a boat, and it's just like it gets to be a bit much for me sometimes back there. I get a bit overstimulated, and especially when people are like literally running into your kayak and they're like, "Oh, sorry." Like, dude, just turn the boat. Like, you see me coming from a mile away, just turn the fucking boat. But anyways, had to go off on a little rant there. Yeah, so I do have some good stuff coming. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, stay froggy.